Hi cuties, Waiting here. Today we're going to draw a Just So Cute girl going to Disneyland. This drawing was definitely inspired by a bunch of Facebook posts that I saw of kids going to Disneyland during spring break. So hopefully you cuties out there think that I picked out the perfect outfit for her. Thanks for always inspiring me and helping me name her. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw my Draw So Cute Disney girl, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to basically draw a wide bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right there. It's going to be kind of shallow. So go ahead and start to connect it at the bottom. And connect. So it's pretty shallow right here, and the reason is because she has her hair that's parting, and so it's going to cover the parts of it. And so now I'm going to start to draw her eye. So in this area where we started above this point, let's start to draw a circle close to the edge. So then let's do the same thing on the other side. Right, once again, circle close to the edge. And let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come right here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Same thing on this side. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come right here on the side and we're just going to draw two curves for lashes. Come here, thicken it up. Same thing on this side. There. And then let's come to the center and draw a sweet smile for her. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a little curve and cap it off. Okay, so then now let's start to build her hair. So we're gonna come, just imagine this oval. So, and her hair is gonna part in the side. So I'm gonna come about right here. I'm just gonna give myself a point. And from here, I'm gonna build a curve that comes down, close to that point right there, and flare it out. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Just gonna come down, close to that, and flare it out. And then let's go ahead and draw her brow. So we're going to come up right here in this area and just tuck a soft curve in. So same thing on this side. There. Now it's complete, right? Okay, so then from there we have to build these Minnie ears for her. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw her hair before you put in the ears. But since I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to have to start right here. I'm going to find my center. So I'm just going to imagine her hair, so about the center, about right here, I'm just going to draw the bow. So I'm going to start right there. And I'm going to draw the center of Minnie's bow, just a little curve. And then we're going to come out. So I'm still aware that her hair is going to be about this size. So right here, I'm going to add a big Minnie bow right here. So just one big curve. And then close to that, come in, and the same thing on this side. And bring it in. So then now we're going to draw some of the ears. So we're going to come to the side of this bow, and we're just going to draw part of a circle for the ears. There, so we'll do the same thing on this side. So start about right there, and we're going to end about right there. and bring it in. And then let's see here. Now from there, we're going to come to the side right here, and we're going to just draw a little band, tucks into her hair. Both sides. And we can just finish this hairline right there. And so then her hair is going to come out. So we're going to come about right here. So about right here, we're just going to come and draw a curve down, and same thing over here. And then let's go up. So about right here. Just going to add a little curve for the top of her head. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. But before I finish all of that, oh, I almost forgot to add some details on this mini bow right here. And then let's add some circles, of course. So I'm just going to put some circles here and there. There. Okay, so then now let's draw the body. We're going to come right in the center before we finish the hair. We're going to come to center, so about right here. I'm going to draw her neck, give her a little neck. And then I'm going to give her shoulders. So I'm going to come down, curve it out. And then let's give her a neckline, so nice curve. Little collar. Okay, and so then now let's imagine this is her shoulder, so I'm going to come about right here on both sides. And I'm going to draw her shirt, so that's about where her armpits are going to be. And I'm going to draw two slight angle lines. And I'm going to bring it down. So this is basically an outfit I gave her. It's just like a white tank top that she's tied up. So let's come in here and finish off the sleeve area. It's always hard trying to figure out what outfits to give my Draw So Cute girls. Okay, so then let's see here. Let's bring this down a little bit more. And we're going to bring this down. So this side is going to be slightly higher because it's tied up in this area. So before, well, let's see here. Sorry about that, I have to figure out, let's put the bow about right here. So I'm going to come in this area right here and just draw a circle where her shirt is being tied up. And I'm just going to end it. So right here. And then right here, come down to meet the shirt right there. Okay, so then from there, now we can come to our center, about right in this area, draw a slight angle line in the center, and then two angle lines that come out. So I'm just giving her a pair of shorts. So come out with her hip area. And connect it. And I'm just going to give some detail right here where it folds up. Little center. Her jean shorts. And now let's draw her legs since we're down here. So we're going to keep coming down. So it's nice and simple. I'm just going to make it coming straight down. And let's bring it all the way down. So about right there. I'll start to flare it out. So I'm just going to come out right here for her feet. And curve. And I'm just going to give her a pair of simple little shoes, flats, and so same thing over here. Bring this straight down about right there. And flare this out slight. and connect it. And then the curve right here. There. Okay, so then now that we know where her hips are, we can draw her arms. But before I do that, I'm going to come and draw her bag that she's wearing. So I'm going to come in this area and I'm going to draw a curve all the way down there. So to the side of her body, right there. And I'm going to tuck in the strap that goes all the way down. And then on this area right here, I'm going to put a little bag. So I'm going to poof it out a little bit. And draw a bag. There. And I'm going to add circles to it so I could make it a mini bag so it matches her little cap right there. There. Okay, so then now we can draw her arms. We're going to come straight down. And we're just going to tuck her arms in just to make it simple. So go right there, just curve it in. So same thing on this side. So about right there. So I'm going to come out right here in this area, draw her thumb and her fingers. There. And then let's see here, we can draw some details, some curves. So it looks like we're tying up her shirt right here. And of course, let's draw some details right here for her tank top. I'm going to, let's draw Mickey. So I'm going to come right here in the center, draw the Mickey ears. See how much I can fit in here. And the head. There. And I'm going to draw a straight line across. And then the two ovals. And then, of course, I'm going to add a little heart right in the center. So it's my Trust So Cute girl visiting Disneyland. And then, oh, I almost forgot her hair. So let's come up here. And I'm just going to flare it out with a curve. And bring in the strand. And tuck it in. And let's just bring this in. Give her hair some movement. And we can finish off the curves. So there, I hope you guys love my Draw So Cute girl going to Disneyland and inspires you to draw it too. If you love drawing cute girls, make sure to check out my Draw So Cute Cute Girls playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.